Liftoff confirmed. Welcome, Commander. I'm Q, your AI guide here at HAVER and BOECKER Mission Control. You're here because you want to make a difference in your own production, in your industry, maybe even the world. Let me show you how. In a world of constant challenges, one power rises to revolutionize your process. Get ready to unlock your system's true potential. Imagine a smart factory free of unexpected downtime, where every process is optimized and your team feels confident because someone is always there. This is what QUAT²RO can do for you. Control. Your client's orders will be executed. All production line equipment will be synchronized. ERP system data will become reality. Performance. My AI-powered tools ensure enhanced quality and process efficiency to keep your systems running smoothly for maximum performance. Data. Continuous data extraction and interpretation unlocks the full potential of your machine, driving consistent quality improvements. Support. Seamless integration enables remote support and analysis of my systems, ensuring consistent reliability at all times. Get ready for unstoppable efficiency and power. The future begins now with QUAT²RO. Now launching the HAVER and BOECKER Racing Academy.
Raise up the heat, keeping the tension, shifting the gear to a different dimension. Red light, speed up, take off, slide at need for speed. I'm not switching the lane, pick up the pace.
Buckle up and enjoy the ride.